Welcome back, grade 8. Today we are going to explain chapter 26, which is probability. We studied probability every year in our school. Okay, what is probability? Probability that we guess about the outcomes of any random experiment. Okay, like a pregnant woman. Okay, we cannot know for sure when she's pregnant in the first months what she's going to have, if she's going to have a boy, or is going to have a girl, or she's going to have a twins, or what. We just guessing. This guessing, we called it like probability. Okay, probability, we guess about the outcomes, like if we have a dice and we throw it. Okay, we guess that it will come 2, it will come 5, or what. Or if we have a coin and we throw it, okay, we have to guess about the outcome. It will be head or it will be tail. Okay, let us discuss about some things. Okay, and you tell me the outcomes of each one of them. Okay, if I have a dice, okay, dice, what is the outcomes of dice? What is the sample space of the dice? Okay, if I throw the dice, it will come 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. This is the outcomes of a dice. So if I'm going to guess, I have to guess a number between 1 to 6. I can't tell you that the number will be 8, right? Because there is no 8 in the dice. This is impossible to happen. Okay, this is the outcomes of a dice. Okay, if I have a coin, what are outcomes of the coin? If I have coin and I throw it, it will come head or tail. Head or tail, right? Okay, this is the outcomes of throwing a dice, or this is the outcomes of throwing a coin. I have a lot of experiments to get the outcomes of each one of them. Okay, now let's remember a few things. Okay, what is the even numbers? Few things we are going to use in our problems. Even numbers. Okay, even numbers is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. What about odd numbers? Odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on, right? What about prime numbers? Okay, I told you before, prime numbers is numbers we don't usually use, or the numbers we cannot find it in multiplication table. Like what? Like 2. We doesn't have number multiplied by number getting 2, or 3, or 5. Also 7. 8 no, 9 no, 10 no, 11, 12 no, 13. 14 no, 15 no, 16 no, 17, 19, 20 no, 21 no, 22 no, 23 yes, and there is a lot of prime numbers. Okay, we cannot find two numbers multiplied by each other. We get 19 or 17 or 23. Okay, this number we called it prime numbers. Okay. Okay, now we need to know what is the probability of an event. Okay, probability of any event is number of appearance, okay, of event over total number of the outcomes of that experiment. Okay, we are going to discuss exercise to remember what is probability of an event. Okay, exercise. A dice was thrown in a random way. What is the probability of getting number A, number less than 5? Okay, a dice was thrown in a random way. What is the probability of getting? Before anything, write the outcomes that it will come to you if you do this experiment, okay? A dice. If I'm going to throw a dice, what is the outcomes I'm going to have? It will be 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, right? Okay. Now, he wants the probability that number less than 5. Which number here is less than 5? 4, 3, 2, and 1. 4, 3, 2, and 1. How many numbers are they? This is 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is 4 numbers. So it will be 4 numbers. Out of what? How many numbers? All the outcomes. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It will be 6 numbers. You get it? This is how to get the probability. Okay? You can simplify it. If I'm going to simplify, divided by 2, it will be 2 over 3. You get? Okay? Next one, number more than 3. Which numbers here is more than 3? It will be 4, right? 5 and 6. 4, 5, and 6. How many numbers? It will be 3. Out of what? How many? All of the outcomes. It will be 6 numbers. Simplified, it will be 1 over 2. Okay, what about the probability of getting number 4? How many 4 you have it up there? Only 1 4. Only 1, right? So it will be 1 over, all of the outcomes is 6. You get it? Okay, what about 7? How many 7 you have it up? Nothing. It's impossible to happen because there is no 7 on the dice. So it will be 0. Okay? Okay. What is the probability of getting even number? Okay, what is the numbers even up there? It will be what? 2, 4, and 6. How many numbers are they? 3 out of 6. It will be, after simplify, half. Okay, what about odd numbers? What is the odd numbers up there? It will be 1, 3, and 5. This is also 3 numbers out of 6. What about odd prime number? What about multiple of 3? Solve this both and send it back to me. And of course, open your workbook. There is a lot of exercises about probability. Start guessing and solving it and send it back to me.